Goes. It just went downtown. Got it from those guys over at Rock Auto. We're gonna slap it on the PPV right now. You see that? It's 97 freaking degrees. But thank God the humidity is only at 45% because in a couple months that humidity is going to be 90%. Really making that 97 toasty. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, we got a beauty brewing. This is going to be the first thunderstorm of the season. Yes, the pasture is dry and the cows are hiding. Bring it on, baby. Let's get this belt up before this storm dumps on us. Oh yeah, you know it. You know it. You know it. There she is. There's the beauty. 15 maybe? I don't know. Let's go check it out, see what it is. All right, I'm not pulling anything off this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's right on there. 15 millimeter. That's gonna go clockwise. I'm gonna flip that belt off, and that belt routes from that pulley under the idler over the air alternator, down around the power steering, up over the water pump, around the crank, and back up. AC is a different belt. There is no tensioner on that belt. If that belt takes a poop, if that belt takes a poop, I just take it to the AC place and let them do it. All right. I try to do this one-handedly. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. There's that. No, I can't. I'm going to pull it off of here. All right. Took it off the alternator. Let me go grab the new belt and we'll slap it on. I don't know how old that belt is. I've been driving this for 4 years now. Oh, check it out. I just did my transmission lines. Look at those. There's the tranny line to the tranny cooler to the radiator. There's 3 lines. And then down here I did the oil lines. These guys were so leaking like a sieve. They were $450 for all 5 lines. And I don't have a lift, so I paid my buddy. I know, here it comes. You ready? You ready? I paid him $600 labor to put this up on the jack, on the lift, and do it at his shop. So that was painful. It was painful paying $600 for a tranny shop to do it. But I got guarantee, warranty, and I don't have to worry about it. So keep an eye on those lines, guys, because if they blow on you, you're done. And mine were getting ready to pop. Let me go get the belt, and we'll put it on. Yeah, so normally I take these belts and let them stretch for a couple days, but I forgot on this one. There's your part number. And it is on the other belt that I found. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it over that, and I'm just going to slowly fish it around. And the cool part about leaving the air intake on is this is holding that idler down. Let me see if I can get this done. Sorry, I can't film this because I'm by myself, but it should be pretty simple, straightforward, and easy to do. There's the old belt. So I've got it around the alternator, down around the power steering, comes up over the water pump, goes down around the crankshaft, and she's going to come back up around the idler. So I got to take the thing out to get it in there, and then push it down. Hold on. Okay, so here's what I got. I got it around power steering, comes up, catches the water pump, goes back down, catches the crankshaft. Ooh, that wind's picking up. Then she comes up and catches the idler tensioner. There's your idler right there. And then I got it over the alternator here. So all I got to do is push this down and then put this belt around that idler right there. Oh, let me check that. All right, that's nice and quiet. I wanted to check that one too. I wonder if I can still do it. Yeah, sounds like a piece of plastic is what it sounds like. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. This is a quick fix. I'm just putting a new belt on. All right, let me drop that down and put that over there, and I think we're done. Too easy. Pushed it down, dropped it around. Now I'm feeling to make sure that's on that pulley. That one right there is on that pulley. It's on the crank pulley, both sides. Comes up over here. It's on the tensioner. I think it's on everything. Take my wrench off and go in there and get the socket. I just did one yesterday on a Nissan Xterra. It was really just as simple. All right, looks like it's on all the pulleys. Let's get this stuff out from under the hood and fire her up. Love that icon. Love that icon. Nice, nice. I don't know, I paid $70 for it on sale. So let's see here. Doesn't look like there's any external cracks on it. Bambo, who's that? I don't know. It says GM on it, made in USA. It doesn't look too bad. But the last thing you want, what I pay? I paid $30 for it because it's an AC Delco. $30 for a belt that you don't want taking a dump. All right, let me fire her up. Okay, key on. Hey, the hood's open. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Watch for the belt to go zing. Okay. Got no check engine lights, no nothing. Always put your window down. That way you won't lock yourself in your car. Oh yeah. That'll be a nice new belt. It's got some racing stripes on it. I'm going to say that's a successful belt change. Everything looks happy. Everything's nice and quiet. I didn't have to take anything off. That pulley might be making just a little bit of noise, but I'll change it out in the wintertime. I'll probably change both of them pulleys out in the wintertime. Hey, what do you think? That's done. Easy, simple. I don't know if I just had that on play or record. I don't know. Sorry if this is a double take, but I couldn't tell if it was recording or not. But there's the pulley, making a little noise. I'm going to run them till wintertime. We're good. We are good.